Hey, this is D Revolution. Welcome to my channel. This channel represents authors and also vendors. I do both. Please press the like button and please hit the notification and subscribe to my page. So today we're going to be talking about vending and real life expectations when it comes to vending. I had an event maybe a couple of months ago. A friend of mine came out and vended next to me. Um, but here's the thing. My friend, and I think a lot of vendors make this mistake, you have to have real life expectations. You have to believe in your product. You have to be confident in your product. You have to be confident because if you're set up and you're not if you don't think nobody's gonna buy it, if you don't think you know, nobody's gonna look at your stuff, that's exactly what's gonna happen. You have to be confident. You have to sit there and just know what's gonna happen. But also as a vendor, you have to know that you have to take the good with the bad. You have to have real life expectations. Example, my friend that was set up next to me, like we was there the whole weekend, and I think he he missed like most of the day on one of those days. He missed like most of the day. Said he was out late the night before, and then on the last day he was kind of upset. He left. He cut the last day and he left early. Now here's the thing. You can't do that and then complain that you don't make money if you're not there, and if you're not gonna take it serious. You gotta really work this like a real job and really be dedicated to it. You just can't be motivated strictly by money. You have to be motivated by the product you sell, and you have to believe in the product that you sell. And because at the end of the day, it's not up to me as a grown man. I wasn't there to say, hey, well, this is why. I mean, he needs to figure that out. But if you're not here, how you gonna make money? You know what I'm saying? How many sales did you miss when you miss half the day? When you're supposed to be out here vending, you knew the night before that you had to be here the next morning. So the point is, I'm trying to make to vendors, it's more than just setting up a table and putting stuff out there. The energy you put out there, respect your product. The energy you put out there is going to be the energy that's going to sell your products. I'm D Revolution. Like and subscribe to my page. Press the notification button. Peace.